Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. In the matter of external aid, sir, we cannot be and we should not be unmindful of the fact that no country, however friendly, will be inclined to aid and help another unless it is satisfied that the people of that other country are putting forth their best effort to create more and more wealth by their own toil and labor for raising the standard of living of its people by the removal of poverty, ignorance, and want. Of this sacrifice and supreme effort, I submit, sir, our people have given ample proof in the course of the fulfillment of our last two plans, and it is because of this that all friendly nations which have the resources and the technical know-how are not only eager but anxious to help us to remove poverty and to raise the standard of living of our people. Therefore, sir, with a big plan of the order and dimension of our third 5-year plan, the finance minister, I would venture to say, had no alternative but to ask the pupil to bear the further burden of taxation with a view to improving the ultimate lot of the common man of this country. We have, however, to see whether the particular taxes imposed have been well chosen and lightly distributed so as not to cause any very great hardship to any particular class of pupil or trade. Coming now to the other aspects of the budget, we find that of the total additional revenue which is to accrue to the center under the present budget proposals, only rupees 3 crores of additional revenue is to be derived from adjustments made in income tax and corporation tax charges, while the rest are to accrue from customs and excise duties. In so framing his budget proposals, you will see, sir, that the finance minister has relied almost wholly upon the indirect method of taxation rather than on the direct one, which hits only the more affluent and the well-to-do who have the capacity to bear the burden, and he has thus laid himself open to the charge of being partial to the rich and the wealthy classes at the cost of the middle and poorer classes of our people, who will be crushed further under the weight of his wide net of new additional taxation proposals. But sir, such a charge will not be justified. Full stop.